Hey there, so here is Hektar app, your social space. It's climbing pretty high, so in the App Store chart. So let's just open it up to see how it looks like. I never used it before, but seems this app is one of those like real time chatting apps. But maybe it's just popular in Arabic countries. You can see some of these apps are have specific popularity in specific regions and countries. So let's just open it up. Can allow notifications, and then instantly you can just see available. So either you are following or for you feed. So here you can just see for you feed. Okay, so it's not kind of like English speaking app, so it's mostly like yeah, for these countries. So there are a few English posts, but not that many. Then you can just tap, and there are like there is live tap, where you can, it kind of looks like TikTok, and then there is like some map location, and then you can see who is nearby you, who is in which location. So you can see that. This is how it looks like. So it's kind of like combination of Instagram, TikTok, everything in one app. And then yeah, here you can see your details. Then you can just create an account here. You can easily create an account with Google, Apple, Facebook, your phone. Then there is your wallet. All these features are basically available only if you sign up here. So yeah, that's the idea. And then in your home feed, yeah, you just have your home feed, which kind of looks similar to Instagram. So yeah, that's basically what you can expect from this app. It's not like a real-time audio chats, video calls on this app. No, it's not like that. But yeah, as I said, probably it's just like a combination of Instagram, TikTok, everything. But probably it's mostly for Arabic countries. So yeah, if you don't speak and can read that language, it's not for you yet. But that's that.